In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to board an Amtrak train. Boarding an Amtrak train is a pretty simple process once you know what to expect. The key is to be prepared before you arrive, give yourself enough time at the station, and pay attention to announcements so you can board smoothly and without stress. Before your trip, make sure you have your ticket ready to go. The easiest option is to download your e-ticket barcode to your phone using the Amtrak app. If you prefer, you can also print your ticket ahead of time. Either way, the goal is to have it easily accessible before you get to the platform so you are not searching for it at the last minute while boarding begins. You should also bring a valid photo ID with you. In some cases, crew members may ask to see identification while you are on board, so it is a good idea to keep it somewhere convenient and easy to reach. Having both your ticket and your ID prepared in advance makes the whole process quicker and more comfortable. Another important part of boarding Amtrak is timing your arrival. Plan to get to the station at least 30 minutes before your train's scheduled departure. That extra time gives you a buffer in case the station is busy, you need help finding your train, or there are last-minute updates. Arriving early also helps you avoid feeling rushed, which is especially helpful if you are traveling with luggage. Once you are at the station, check the station monitors for your train's track, platform, or gate information. If the information is not clear, or if you are unsure where to go, ask a staff member for help. It is always better to confirm than to head in the wrong direction. When your train is called, make your way to the platform and line up in the designated boarding area. Stay alert during the stage, because stations may announce boarding instructions over the speakers, and those details can help you get to the correct location faster. When it is your turn to board, show your barcode to the conductor standing by the door. They will scan or check your ticket before you step onto the train. As you board, watch your step carefully, especially if there is a gap or a step up into the car. After you are on board, head to your assigned car if one has been designated and then find your seat. With your ticket ready, your arrival timed well, and your attention on station updates, boarding an Amtrak train can be a smooth and easy start to your trip.